Here is something that doesn't make any sense. I was looking up if a commercial airline jet can be landed automatically without anyone at the controls. Say for safety reason, the pilot, co-pilot are incapacitated and the plane needs to be landed, commercial jet. The answer is no. Someone has to physically land the plane. Yes, the plane can fly automatically, but it can't land automatically. It doesn't make any sense. But here's a YouTube movie about military drones. This drone here is the size of a full fighter aircraft. Here it is landing. It has no pilot except in a terminal somewhere. No pilot on the plane. Yet they can land this craft. Doesn't make any sense that also a commercial jet plane can't be landed automatically. I think they got to do a better job of trying to put in whatever computers or whatever they need to land a commercial jet without a pilot for the safety of the passengers.